Hi, welcome to Physics Tutorials powered by Noble Mind Science Tutors Online. This is Michael Otubo. Welcome you to this wonderful platform. The aims and objectives of this online tutorial is to bring learning closer to the student. We also aim to make the subject physics as simple and interesting as possible, because we have discovered that many students love physics, but their major challenge is the calculations in physics and then the interpretation of basic principles of physics. So it is true that many students fail physics examination because of poor mathematical background, and it is also true that about 70% of physics is mathematics. So what we have done is that we have put together a well-explained, well-elucidated, detailed and concise learning suite for our students. We will try to treat as much questions as possible in this video series to explain each of the topics that will be taught. We also want to remove that fear and phobia for this subject from our students. We want more students to register for this subject in their final examinations and come out with good and excellent grades. Because why? We believe that by the time the student is able to complete this physics course, the subject will become as simple as possible for that student. So this video tutorial, what it covers is that it covers the complete senior secondary school curriculum in physics for those who are in Nigeria from SS1 to SS3. So if you are in any of these West African countries and you register for West African Examination Council, in your final examination, it covers the complete syllabus. And even if you are in other countries, it covers the material or the course material for senior college physics. So what is our assumption in preparing these video materials for our students? Our assumption is that the student is just being introduced to the basic concept of physics. So we'll try to start from the very basics, and then we'll try to arrange everything according to the curriculum for the secondary school, that is for SS1, SS2 and SS3. It also covers it will also cover the syllabus for WAEC, NECO, JAM, GC and NAPTEP. So if you are registered for any of these examinations, this video learning course is a sure bet for you. And for ease of learning, what we have done is that each topic shall be treated in segments. At the end of each topic, we will take some example calculations to explain the topic more, and after that, we will also give you a test your understanding questions so that we can understand. We want to test your comprehension and your understanding. So an assignment will be given to you that you will respond to in a WhatsApp chat that will be created, a WhatsApp group chat that will be created. So when you subscribe to this channel, we will add you to the WhatsApp chat group so that you can respond all your assignments, you solve them. So one key point that I want you to take is that the assignments I will give you now will encourage and advise you to make sure that you do all the assignments. Please don't skip them. Don't skip them at all. Another thing I want to encourage you to do is that before you start into the main course of this video, please try and get a good exercise book like 80 leaves or a hardback notebook, because this course material will cover all the topics that you need to cover in your physics course from first year to final year, that is from your SS1 to SS3. So the note that you will be given in the video material will cover all the note that you need. So it will be a summary note for you. So please try and get a good notebook, not a rough note, a good notebook. And whenever you want to start to watch this video, please try as much as possible to get your calculators, your biro and your pen, so that you can flow along while the lecture is ongoing. Also, for every assignment that is given, all the corrections will be treated in another video. Not only the correction in another video, we also try to respond to all your answers in the WhatsApp chat group. So once you post your answers on the WhatsApp chat group, we'll respond to it to tell you, oh, okay, this answer is correct, and maybe this is how you will have gone about it. But in a comprehensive form, we are going to create a video that we answer, or that we take care of most of the answers for all the assignments that we're giving. So please make sure that you take the assignment seriously. Then even in your normal classwork or in your normal school, you as your breakout, because this video lecture is like a flipped classroom. So in your Brink and Wall classroom, you can take some of this assignment down and also treat and discuss with your colleagues. Now, why we have created this video, we know that it's not every student that has the chance to go to the classroom. So even while you are at home, you can take this video. If you are traveling, either by road or by flight, you can just view the video. And one thing we're trying to be doing is that we make the videos to be as short as possible and to be concise. But every topic we want to treat, we'll try to treat it in detail, so that you get the full understanding and then know the principles that apply, then also know the calculations that are involved as per every topic. So gents, ladies, please, this is a new platform that we just created, and we want you people to key into it. As we progress in the course, we also discuss secret of passing physics examination, and then in subsequent videos too, we'll tell you about examiners' comments, because it is good that while you want to prepare for your examinations, or you are going for your examination, you should know what is expected from you by your examiner. So if you know what is expected from you, you will know the steps to follow when you are answering your physics questions. You know the step by step to follow and what your final answer should look like when you are preparing for your physics examination. So all this we are going to put together in a video, so that we know that when you are going for your examination, you are fully armed and then you are ready to come out with the best grade. So the whole of the lecture series promised to be a complete learning suite for you. So what do you need to do? What you need to do is that you need to subscribe to this channel, and for you to subscribe, look at the notification button below. Just click on the subscribe button. When you subscribe, that red button will change to black. Then by the corner there, you will see a drop down arrow. Click on it. Click on the notification bell, the bell that is shaking. Click on it, so that whenever we upload any video, YouTube and Google, they will notify you that, look, a new video has been uploaded in Nobleman Science Tutors online video platform. So please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up as you watch our video. Give us a thumbs up, and not only that, please, you can also tell your colleagues, those who have not heard about it. Invite your friends to come to this platform and let them subscribe to this platform. It promises to be a very good learning series for you, and we promise to make sure that we make the subjects as simple as possible. So what is in this for you? These are the topics that we're going to cover in this particular video series, and we're going to take in them one by one. Then we also break them into segments. We'll take the topic, break it into segments or different videos, because we don't want the videos to be too long. So we'll make them to be in different videos, short videos, so that you can grab each of the topics fully. So these are the topics that we'll be covering in this particular video series. So you see the first topic there, the way it is arranged, that is how we're going to cover all the topics. So we'll cover the topics down to number 41, 42, 43, and 44. Tips on success in examinations. So gents, you are welcome to this video platform. We want you to subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell. Google and YouTube will come and notify you of what is happening here. So welcome, and right away we'll be bringing in the first video, which is introduction to physics. So let's go and start our classroom lectures. You're welcome. Thank you so much.